Facebook, please permit us to use the music for today. I did not make the music, and also the clips, anything from the social media that we are going to use and present today's information, please permit us to use them, because we are using them. We did not make them. Thank you, Facebook. Let's start with Pericoma. Let's take it from here, my people. Let's take it from here, my people, because we do not have much time. My people, my Biafran people all over the world, and all the freedom fighters, human rights advocates, wherever we are. I thank you. I welcome you all. I see you, my people. Thank you for joining. I welcome you all, and I'm your daughter and your sister, Nwada Rosemary Williams. And today is March 12, 2024. And in the Igbo market calendar, today is Orie market. I know in our mother and fatherland, in Igbo, maybe it's almost Afo, but today we are still in Orie because today is Tuesday where we are. And today is echi ọnwa nke ịtọ gbara mkpụrụ ụbọchị 12 n'ime afọ 2024 ka anyị na-ekene ụmụnne anyị, na-ewekọm onye ọbụla anyị sị ka ahịa Orie ritere anyị ihe ọma, ripụọ ihe ọjọọ nke na-abata n'ala Igbo. Ahịa Orie rite ihe ọma, ripụọ ihe ọjọọ niile nke na-abata n'ala Igbo anyị, ma ndị ọjọọ bịara igbu anyị ka Orie rie ha, erupụ ha ka mmiri, kwapụ ha n'ọhịa ụzọ, because we don't need them. My people, today, if you look at the headline, we say that Nigerian security agents are at it again because they are brutalizing our people. They are manhandling our people, the Igbo people, the Biafran people, especially people of the southeastern region. And they know that we are the heart of Nigeria, and the other regions are trying to become the heart, but they cannot be, because without the heart, the blood cannot pump. So people want to come and take over our land to be where we are in order to perform, but they cannot, because they are not the God that made it to be so. So my people, today we come to let you know that you must be your brother and sister's keeper. Be your brothers and sisters keeper, and then I do not play I don't care attitude. And the banner says, "Arise, O my Biafran people, demand for the withdrawal of invading Boko invaders." You know they are there. They are the Boko Haram men and women in uniform as police commissioners in southeastern region and other parts of Biafra land. This we have cried for it some time ago, about last month, and it's happening again. And today we are calling on the inter-society, we are calling on Ohaneze Ndi Igbo, human rights activists or advocates. We are calling on the political heads. We are calling on all the sons and daughters of Igbo, men and women of Igbo. If you have the Igbo blood running in your vein, this is your chance to rise up and demand for the withdrawal of non-Igbo police agents, like the commissioners. We are talking about those of them in the top. If they are non-Igbo origin and they are commissioner for police or the head of any other thing that's supposed to be security in Igbo land, we need them to be withdrawn. We need them to leave. We need them to be exchanged, change them. We have a lot of Igbo men and women in police that can be, they are qualified ones, overqualified ones, underqualified ones, whichever one you want, we have them. Use them to do the commissioner of police in Igbo land. We do not want non-indigenous to be commissioner of police or commissioner of any security agent in Igbo land. We don't want it anymore. Please withdraw them. And the inter-society, Ohaneze Ndi Igbo, political heads, everybody in Igbo land should be talking about this. Rise up and raise up your voices. Tell them to remove all these commissioners for policies and all these commissioners for any other parts of security that are in Igbo land. We want them to be withdrawn. We want them to be exchanged to indigenous Igbo policemen and women. We have them. They are qualified. They are even overqualified, because all these Boko Haram you are bringing and putting uniform on them and calling them repentant Boko Haramists in the security of Nigeria. We do not want them in Igbo land. Withdraw your repented Boko Haram in uniform. Withdraw them, remove them from Igbo land. We do not want them. We have Igbo origins who have all the qualifications you need. Use them as the commissioner for police in our land. Use them as the commissioner for any security department in our land. Please, our people should demand for this, because we don't need them. They are not helping us. They are killing us. They are the ones harboring all these Boko Haram and all these herdsmen. the ISIS that come with them. They are hiding them in our bushes. They are killing us. They are suffocating us. They are butchering us. We do not want them. And when you discover them and hand them over to the police, their own person, another Boko Haram, is the commissioner for police. And when you bring them and say, oh, commissioner, we have them here, and you say, okay, thank you, hand them over. You hand them over and leave. They reassign them to another area, and they keep killing us. We do not want that anymore. Please, please, Nigerian government, take away non-indigenous Igbos as commissioner for police in our land. We do not want them. We do not want them. And anybody that have the interest of Igbo, the interest of our race, the Igbo race, if you do not want them to exterminate us, annihilate us, wipe us out from the surface of the earth, please rise up. Tell them to remove all these Boko Haramis in uniform that they are using as commissioner for policies in our land, policing us in our land, killing us in our land. We do not want them. Please. Excuse me. And I want to show you people that these police men and their headers, police headers in uniform, when they wear uniform, they become policemen. But when they remove the uniform, they are the headers. You know that, the herdsmen. Now the herdsmen are coming with dogs. They are coming with dogs and AK-47 and other kinds of ammunition. And when they come, they are in our land. And you call them police. In the morning, they wear uniform. They become police. At night, they wear whatever. And they go and be slaughtering our people. We don't want that to be happening. We all see what happened at Ejibekwu the other day. We don't want that to be happening. Please. I'm sorry. I don't know why my voice is having some crack. Please let me grab water. I'll be back. Thank you for your patience. So, I want to show you people what is these criminals in uniform. What these criminals in uniform are doing to our people. This will happen in Ebonyi State. This will happen in Ebonyi State on the 10th. Today is 12th, maybe 2 days ago or 3 days ago.
That boy should
Okay, you people have seen it. You people have seen it. This happened in Ebonyi State. And people were screaming, what did he do? What was his offense? And the Boko Haram group in uniform, they're coming there, they're brutalizing him. That's not how police are supposed to be working. They're killing him, they're hitting him. And people are screaming, what did he do? And we know that our people do not have to commit anything before these people come after us. And they're screaming, tell us, what did he do? They had nothing to say about him, but they are brutalizing him. I thank the people that try to help, those ones that are helping. And also I ask the other ones that are standing by the side, the ones watching, is there nothing you think you should have done to help? My people, we need to fight back. Fight back. Do not stand by the side and feel unconcerned because you might be the next. Do not stand by the roadside and feel like it's none of my business because after that person, you might be the next. And when they come after you, if you were standing and say, oh, let them get them, it's none of my business. When they finish getting them and they come for you, nobody will be there to save you because it will be only you standing. Our people should fight back. Block them. Use nails to choke on their tires. Put things on the road, roadblock, so that they cannot pass. Even when they pass, they cannot run far until their car breaks down. You have to find means to fight back. 3 people come, 4 people come because they have a van and they are beating us, killing us, and the whole community are standing by and saying, oh no, this person is strong. After that person, you might be the next. Even if you are a woman, there is something you can do to help. Even if you are a young man or a young woman, an older person, there must be something you can do to help. Find out what you can do to help. We should not allow them to be coming and taking us one by one as the hawk grabbing the small chicks. We have to fight back. We shouldn't allow them to come in our land and grab us one after the other, and hitting us with hammer and everything. We have to devise a means to fight back. Agwala mi ambusu. Awuru mi wehe egbe jezuru egbe dome. Awuru mi wehu mma jezuru mma dome. Ha je jiri gi ha agba m egbe. Awuru mo onye ọzọ kpa egbe. Ha agba egbe onye sara ha. Ha agba ya ọzọ onye sara ha. Ahụ ha agba ọbara. Ha ga-agba ọsọ. Una were ntu. Gbarishia taya moto he. So that agaghị agbapụ ọsọ. Eshi ọzọ onye dị ihe bịama. Ha ma asị na mmadụ bi ebe ahụ. Ma ụnụ gba nkịtị ha na-adị eji n'otu otu. Ejishi ụmụnne anyị one after the other, one after the other. Ahụ ha ga-ejiricha anyị niile. We must fight back. We must fight back. You had Pericoma. Pericoma said, if you need peace, you have to fight for your peace. You have to, first of all, go to war, fight for it, and get peace. If you need peace, you have to go to wrestling. You have to wrestle whoever you can wrestle. After the wrestling, we have peace. But if you sit down and say, oh, I'm a peaceful person, I don't want to fight, they come there, they take you like a chicken. There is nothing you can do. My people, rise up. Organize yourselves. These people that are coming to our communities, coming to our cities, coming to our villages to grab us one after the other. Their body is filled with blood and water, just like your own. If you cut their skin, you will see the blood, just like your own. So they are not immortal. They are not immortal. They are all mortals. When they come for us in our own land, we are running. Where else can we run to? It's people, invaders, people who are not from our land, supposed to run for us, not that we are the ones to be running for them. They hit us, they beat us, they kick us, and they grab us in front of everybody. How many people come to grab us? Maybe 4 people, 5 people. And the whole community cannot do anything. The whole community are handicapped. Hey, is this not Igbo? Ụmụagụ elebe na unu ebube agụ na-eche agụ elebe unu nọ. Anyị enweghị ha ebube. Arụ mere. Ka nchịkwa n'ọzọ. Let me show you another one. This one happened in Onitsha. They said Uguta Road in Onitsha. This happened on the 9th. On the 9th, this one happened. On the 10th, the first one I show you that happened in Ebonyi State took place. So you see, they go to this community today. They test them how the people over there will react. Then they go to the next community. They shake them and see how those people will react. Then they go to the next. They are sampling you people, sampling our communities, sampling the young men and women in our area. If they come with koboko, we have to have koboko. If they whoop us, we whoop them. If they bring gun, somebody around there must have gun. If they shoot, you shoot back. If they bring bottles, somebody must have bottle. If they hit bottle, you hit back. These people have come, they have intimidated us, that we can no longer react. We should wake up. We should wake up. If we want to be alive, we should be awake, looking, acting, active. Because if we are intimidated and shrunk, they just come there, they pick us like picking a piece of paper and move. We should not allow that to happen. We shouldn't. I'll show you this. This one happened in Onitsha. You see the rod. You see the rod they have in their hands. You see the rod they have in their hands. They use the rod to hit our people. You know? So when you are driving a car, you know that they carry rod. Before they can hit you down, if you can just break one person's head, then anything can happen. It's better than just grab you like a chicken. If they are carrying rods when they are hitting you people on the road, the driver and the conductor should have rods in their car. Erumowu mmiri igwe ka ha na-eji akụdu n'isi gwem unu amawo nga unu ga-apụ unu ewere mkpụrụ igwe tige okporo igwe tige ha kụrụ na-akụ ha iwu ma ịkụ ha mmadụ bịa kụọ gị gbim chesa gị ejike gị furu obi nye ha otu kwem ya dulie daa ndị ka ọzọ ga-agba ọsọ by then ga-enwe onwe gị nwe onwe gị ga-esi nga ahụ pụọ manụ na ị ga họrọ ihe unu kpanaka ọrụ ihe unu ji chere onwe ha ga-akụganụ kurisia abịa die ha akụgbuola onye eke ha akụgbucha echi ha abịaghị ọzọ jiri onye ọzọ kụwa ihe die akụgbuola onye eke ihe ndị a na-akụgbu ụmụnne anyị. These are our brothers and sisters, our blood, and they are killing us. We shouldn't allow that to happen. Please, that's what I come out here today to tell you. That the Nigerian security, the police and their agents, they are at it again. They are killing us, they are beating us, they are brutalizing us. So we should not give them that chance. The people that say they are defending us should work towards that. We should not give them that chance anymore. The villagers, the community people, the town people, the city people, rise up. Local government areas, rise up. Do not allow this to happen. We will not allow it to happen. We did not do anything to them, and we will not allow them to come and kill us just like that. Fight back, my people. Fight back and fight back. Bust their vehicle tires. Bust their windscreen mirrors and covers. Chase them away. Let's see what will happen. And all these Igbo governors, Efulefu governors that are helping these people, you must be very careful. Peter Mba, be very careful. Chukwuma Soludo, be very careful. Hope Uzodimma, be very careful. Nwifuru, be very careful. Because all of you are in the southeastern region. You must be very careful. We don't need these people. And yesterday I read that the governor of Abia State, Governor Oti, dispatched security men to Abia State University because there was an incident over there. Yes, it's good to send them to stop whatever that is happening. It's good to send them to make sure that everything has come back to normal. But once they finish, please withdraw them. We do not want the Nigerian security. We do not want the Nigerian police. We do not want them and their Fulani commissioners in our areas where our brothers and sisters are schooling, where we have Igbo and the Biafran things going on. Because they are the ones instigating all these things. We should not forget about the Islamic tunnel that extends from Ebonyi State to Ohafia and Afikpo. It's underground. They are the ones that are running all these cabals. They are the ones that are causing all this problem. And they know that Abia State have been seen as the model for the rest of the southeastern states. Now they want to instigate something there. Now they want to instigate something there to make sure that they pull the criminal security agents over there. I know that our own dear brother, Governor Oti, is wiser than them. He will handle it well. Please do not let them stay around. Once they finish what they went there to do, let them go back to where they are. We don't need them with our children, our brothers and sisters, our family members schooling in the same place. And these criminals will be parading around them. No, no, no. They are all criminals. They are kidnappers. They are Boko Harams in uniform. We don't need them. They should go back to barracks where they belong. And finally, before I leave, I will say, which day was that? Let me see. I think on the 10th, the same 10th. I think on the 10th, that the wife of Anambra governor, Nonye Soludo, the wife of Anambra governor, yeah, Nonye. 2 days ago, we also saw her. She donated Soludo's wife donates multivitamin supplements to Anambra elders. Okay. So I read this one. Soludo's wife donates medication supplement. Let me pull her out. Yes. It's in the Punch newspaper. This is Nonye Soludo. At least we are seeing her for the first time. Okay. Soludo's wife donates multivitamin supplements to Anambra elders. So, well, giving supplement to our elders is a good thing. Giving supplement to our elders is a good thing. But we must know who is donating this supplement. My mothers and my fathers at home, I know that things are hard and difficult. I know that things are hard and difficult. But I will tell my mothers and my fathers and my grandmothers and my grandfathers at home to beware of who is giving you whatever they are giving you. Nonye Soludo bringing multivitamin to us at this time is like during the time of Hope during the time of Rocha Sokorocha. During the time of Rocha Sokorocha and Ojo Zokalo and the rest. You know, then the Zipazu, whoever that was sitting at the time when they had the Python dance, the time when the Nigerian government under Buhari had a Python dance in Umuahia, Faruku Ibeku, Umuahia. So they came with a truckload of ammunition to kill us. And they killed so many, and others ran away. The following day, they bring a monkeypox and say they are coming to immunize us with a monkeypox. Remember what happened? Everybody, and they went and they were making it by force. They closed all the schools. Each school they enter, they grab the children and they'll be choking them with monkeypox. And we scream and say that's not good. So it's good that this time Nonye Soludo is not making it force to give you this multivitamin. But ask yourself, 3 weeks ago, less than 1 month, Chukwuma Soludo, Nonye's husband, brought the ammunition, brought the all these armor tanks, brought all these soldiers shooting at random in Osumo. We all saw him, and he wanted to wipe those areas, clean it up in order to bring his the people that he's working for. So if somebody can bring these ammunitions, bring these armor tanks, bring these guns and everything, and parade your street with Boko Haram in uniform as soldiers, and then 2 weeks later, 3 weeks later, the same person bring you something and say, here, I'm giving you. It will make your body nourishment. I did not say don't take, so that tomorrow you will say, one other Rosemary say don't take. But I'm telling you, before you eat anything, be careful. Make sure that the person that is giving it to you is testing it, and is testing exactly the one that is given to you before you eat what you don't know. If they want to wipe us away by bullets and ammunition, and they cannot get us, and then they went and bring poison in the form of medication and say take it and eat, and it will nourish your body. I know that things are very difficult. I know that things are hard. But when you are eating, be careful of what you eat. That's all I said. You are free to eat anything you want to eat, including medications. But be sure that what they are giving you is what will nourish your body, instead of putting you in a harm's way. Thank you, my brothers and my sisters. Thank you, my people. And I thank you all for being part of this broadcast today. And please help me to share. Share it and share it and share it. Let others who are not here at this moment, let them all be part of it. Let everybody see that we are calling on the inter-society, on Igbo, human rights activists. We are calling on the political heads and all sons and daughters of Igbo to rise up and demand for the withdrawal of non-indigenous police commissioners. We don't want them. Let them remove them. Let them take them away. We need our own to be in charge of our police. Although we don't know who they will be working with for or what they will be doing, but at least we will know that they are our people. And if an Igbo man, an Igbo daughter, an Igbo son, an Igbo woman, that you are put in charge of the Igbo people to take care of them, and instead of helping to save the lives of our race, of our people, and you are there killing us or working against us, the land of Igbo will work against you. The air you breathe will work against you. The water you drink will go against you. The sand from our land will work against you. as long as you come in contact with any of those things. Even the red oil that enters inside your gut will work against you. And we say, Ise, and Ise. So thank you, my people. And we have to take it from here. Please make sure that you share, and let everybody see and listen to what we are saying. We are just, giving out information, but you are the one that can use it to make whatever you want it to be. So when you hear, share, and let others hear. Thank you. We go back with our very